When we hear about cooking healthy meals, the first thing that comes to mind is ingredients and foods that can be harmful to our bodies. But there is a factor that usually goes unnoticed, even when we think about our health: pans and pots. That's right, the containers where you prepare your meals also affect the nutritional value of foods and your wellness. You probably have heard that Teflon is harmful, didn't you? But Teflon isn't the only component that harms the body. Now let's see which types of cookware are the best for your health. Stainless steel is very resistant and durable. Stainless steel pots are recommended for cooking foods with water, as it helps distribute the heat more evenly. Some stainless steel pots have aluminum bottoms that have a better heat distribution. In this case, you can cook all types of foods. Cast iron is a great option as it doesn't cause any harm to our health. It is extremely resistant and can cook at high temperatures, being a good option for meats and fried foods. While you cook, some iron particles are released into the food, turning your cast iron pan into a great natural supplement of the mineral that prevents anemia. Although it is good for your health, cast iron pots aren't very versatile since they are heavy and take time to reach an adequate temperature for cooking. Enameled clay or glass pots are only used in the oven for baking or soups, since these materials can't distribute the heat properly and may break if used directly on the stove. These materials don't release any chemical substances even if used frequently. These pots are less versatile than the other two we saw and are used only for oven preparations or as a decoration when serving food. Their materials are fragile and break easily. Now you know the best types of pots and pans for cooking healthier meals. Stay away from non-stick and aluminum cookware. These pans aren't good options, as the aluminum is released in food and absorbed by the body. Studies show the neurotoxicity of this metal and even link it to Alzheimer's. Also, you should pay attention to these components: PFOA, chromium, nickel, lead, aluminum, copper, and cadmium, which are highly harmful compounds to the body. The list of issues caused by these components includes cancer, headaches, gastrointestinal problems, hypertension, cardiovascular diseases, kidney and liver problems, infertility, malformations, and neurological problems.